Bam. Here we go, guys. Hello. We got ourselves another lockout. Currently, you can see that lock. So we're gonna change that. And we're gonna have to make a key maybe, because the guy's key is not even cut, so. Unlock. There's the key. Look at that. Keep that unlocked. Let's see if his key is unlocked or cut. Nah, it's not. They didn't even cut that shit. Alright, we're gonna change that. So repeat after me. 1, 3, 3. Perfect cut every single time. I'm telling you, I just know what the fuck I'm doing every single time. See you. I'm all done. Yeah.